How to download Among Us on your iPhone in just a few easy steps. Whether you're new to the game or just getting it on a new device, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and make sure you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, tap on the App Store icon to open. Now look at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Search tab. In the search bar at the top, type Among Us. Make sure you write the correct spelling to avoid misinterpretation with other apps instead. Once done, hit the search button. Look for the game developed by Innersloth LLC. The icon should show colorful little crewmates in spacesuits. You might see it listed as Among Us, with an exclamation point. Now tap the Get button next to the game title. You may be asked to enter your Apple ID password, use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the download. Go ahead and tap Download. The download should start immediately, and depending on your internet speed, it should only take a minute or two. Once it's downloaded, the Get button will change to an Open button. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tech tips.